Today we're going to be debadging my Subaru. Let's get it.
Hair dryer and floss, that's all you need.
Now take the hair dryer and go back and forth over the emblem until it's warm enough. Now take your floss. Now take the floss with both hands and just slide it behind the emblem. If it's warm enough, it should pop out with ease like this. Now you could warm it up a little bit more. And then scrape off the rest with your fingernails. Almost done, a little bit more scraping. And that's how it's done. It's still there a little bit. I need to go over it one last time. Haven't done those two yet, but simple as that.